Hi friends, today's video is kind of random in a way, but I wanted to share my crochet hooks and the hooks that I've made for myself. Since I crochet every single day, I had to find a way to make it the most comfortable for me. And I've gone through a couple of crochet hooks throughout the past 2 years, but over time I just had to change it up and evolve, and I'm gonna share with you guys the crochet hooks that I have tried and the crochet hooks that I recommend. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what I do with my crochet hooks, which is basically I make a little mold of my hand on them. It's a little weird, it's ugly, but trust me, if you end up doing this to your crochet hooks, I swear it'll help. Well, I truly believe it'll help. I rarely suffer from hand pains. I guess my hands are just used to it by now. But anyways, I'll stop rambling and let's get to the video. So these are my crochet hooks. I don't have a big collection, mostly because I only use these 3 sizes the majority of times. And then I also have my hooks for really chunky yarn, and these ones are the prim hooks. These are really good for chunky yarn. I had to get it because I had a project that required really chunky yarn, and also I just wanted to try it out because normally I work with medium weight yarn or weight 4 yarn, and I use my trusty 5.5mm hook, and these are the Susan Bates hooks. As you can tell, it's got a lot of use to it, but these are my old reliables, definitely. And more on these later. I also tried the clover hooks because everyone was raving about these and how comfortable they were, so I wanted to test these out. And this was before I made my custom hooks. This is the 5.5. I know a lot of people swear by these, so this is a good recommendation if you're starting out, although they are a little expensive. And then I wanted to show you guys my first ever hook. When I started 2 years ago, I got this one at Walmart, and I don't know, it has like a weird indent. But I got it mostly because it was purple and it was cute, and to be honest, it helped me on my crochet journey, so I like to keep it. And then, oof, like this is embarrassing, but I got this crochet hook set off Amazon just because it was pink, and I think it mimics this other brand. I don't recall the name. I'll just put a picture up here, but it's basically that dupe. They're cute, okay, don't get me wrong, they're cute, and if you want to start out, then these will work. The only thing is that they are rubber at the bottom. The only metal is the top here, which I don't even think is metal, I think it's plastic. But when you're holding it, you're gonna, if you have a tight tension, you're gonna be bending this handle part. I just wish they were all metal, kind of like the clover ones. I think they tried, but these were 20 bucks on Amazon, so I didn't lose too much out, and I got a really cute case and some clippers as well. And yeah, so before I get into how I made my custom hooks, I just want to talk about some other options that I've seen, especially on like Crochet Talk and Instagram as well. I know there's a hook called Chunky Boys, and I'm gonna put who makes them here because I don't remember at the top of my head. But I've heard really good things about Chunky Boys because they are ergonomic, and it's basically a handle for your crochet hook, but it's like really chunky. It's like probably this thick, and you grab it I'm not gonna do that. But basically it's supposed to help your hand movements and all that stuff. I've never tried it. I would love to try it. Hopefully one day. And I also really love like this creator too, because they make really cute crochet hooks. I ordered one that was a pink cow in the size 4.5, because honestly 4.5 is the hardest crochet hook to find. I don't know why, but I do recommend you not go crazy with too many hooks. And if you have a crochet hook that works for you and will last you, that's the best. That's the best. You're set basically. For me, I prefer metal hooks because I feel like they stand my tension. And also these ones are pretty good too. They don't really bend or anything, these prim ones. But yeah, I wanted to shout out those other crochet hooks that you may want to try. And now I will show you what I do with mine. It's a little arts and craft project, so if you want to make these, I will add the materials here that you need. And just have fun with it. Honestly, I painted mine with little hearts, flowers, just because, I don't know, I like making them fun. But yeah, I highly recommend these if you don't want hand paint. And it's personalized to you. It takes the form of your hand while you're crocheting. So therefore, each person is gonna grab the hook differently. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm just gonna take you guys to the video. Transition. Let's open this up. Next, I need to break this. Okay, I think I have to like smash it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Look at that. That is a mess that future Solange will have to deal with. There you go. Okay, it's naked now. Look at that. Like, how do you... That's not comfortable to work with. Alright, I'm gonna wrap my hook. Make sure it's nice. I am not a professional, so I'm here to learn as well. If there are better tips on how to make your own hook grip, I am willing to learn. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Focus. There you go. Now we're gonna add a little more. I don't think I need to do this much commentary on it. I'm probably gonna like speed run this entire part. Yeah, I've noticed that with this one, I don't need to cover the end. I mean, I could, but like my hand doesn't even reach there when I crochet. I've seen some people hold it the pencil way, which that's how I started too, because I used to watch crochet tutorials way when I was a beginner. Yeah, it did not do it for me. I feel like you're hurting your wrist more. But that's just me. I feel like if other people crochet this way, it's because they've gotten used to it and it's fine for them. But now I'm gonna crochet something. I need yarn just so I can get the natural grip of my hand. Alright, let's see. And it's still wet, so I kind of like that. With the air drying clay, it would already start hardening as soon as I opened it. So this one, it's very moldable. I don't know the right words. I suck at words. All right, I'm just gonna crochet a little leaf. And I already feel it kind of molding to it because I guess my grip is tightening. I have one of these tutorials for the leaves on my shorts and also on my YouTube shorts, not my shorts, and also my TikTok. So if you want to see how to do that, it's just a quick like 1-minute tutorial. It feels good. Like, I have no pain in my hand. I just hope it's, you know, plump enough. I hope I'm not squeezing it too tightly. There we go. think it's done. I need to go preheat my oven. Oh, I should have been doing that. Okay. Let's go preheat it and then I'll record putting it in. There's 15 minutes left, right? But I checked them, like I poked them with a spoon, and they look pretty solidified. I don't know if 30 minutes is too long for them. I don't know if I should take them out. I don't know if I should just leave them and follow the instructions. I'm worried. And this is the result. I'm really happy with how they turned out. Honestly, that video, that was back in November, I think. But yeah, that was quite a long time ago, and I can honestly say this is the longest these molds or these handles have lasted me. I first tried this technique out with air drying clay that I got from the dollar store, and I do not recommend because it would crumble after a while. This was the before, how my hooks looked like, and it got to a point where I was crocheting and the handle was crumbling in my hand into pieces, and I would have to grab a hot glue gun and try to glue the pieces on together because I didn't want to do the whole process again, and I just wanted to crochet really quickly and I just couldn't. But so far the modeling clay that I got, oh, it's right here, I only used a quarter of it. I didn't even use that much, and it's pretty thick. Like, look at those curves. She curvy. But I highly recommend this one, the Fimo, what's it called? Leather Effect? I don't know how to say that. Stradler? But yes, go to your local Michael's or craft store. I'm not sure. But this one I found at Michael's. And you only need one, and you could probably do it with most of your hooks. And then, you know, paint it however you like. One last thing is that make sure you add Modge Podge at the end, just to kind of seal it. The Modge Podge kind of left like a shiny coat over it, and that was near the end of the video. But yeah, please let me know if you do this. I really want to see, because I've never shared this with anyone. I just thought it was weird that I did it, but I cannot recommend it enough now. Like, I will literally share this video with everyone I know, everyone that I know that crochets. It's not as convenient as buying, let's say a Chunky Boy or another crochet hook, like an ergonomic one, those are really expensive. This one, I feel like, you know, you have to sit down, take a little bit of time, lots of steps, that's for sure. But I'm telling you, it is so worth it. Yeah, just let me know if it works for you. Please, 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 please let me know. I would love some feedback. And overall, if you made it this far, I really, really appreciate you. Thank you. You can check out my stuff at sundropsol.ca or on Instagram and TikTok. I'm usually like posting little fun goofs on there, or like what I'm currently working on. But yeah, go check it out. Also, I have patterns and free ones too. This little one, you can find the pattern on my Ribbler and it's gonna be in the description. And I also have lots and lots of other patterns too, and more coming out. But please tag me in your makes, and I shall see you next time. Also, if you want a tutorial, like a video tutorial for this little mushroom, I can definitely do that for my next video. But a lot of you said that you guys want longer tutorials like bags and berets on my YouTube, so I'm definitely gonna work on those too. I just got a new camera, so I'm really excited to make more videos. I know that's not really an excuse to not make videos, but it's like pushing me to make more videos because I know it'll look good and I know the sound quality would be better. Yeah, I'm just excited and I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I know we'll get there. I know we'll get there. But yes, please share and do all those button hittings. I don't know what I'm saying. Just hit buttons, please. I shall see you guys next time.